Professional results at home. This 3-in-1 kit features a battery-operated chrome detail clipper, battery-operated hair trimmer, and battery-operated nose, ear trimmer plus accessories perfect for virtually any haircutting and grooming job. Included: 10 guide combs, 1/8 to 1, right and left ear comb, barber scissors and comb, styling comb, cape, clips, oil, blade guard, storage case and more. Hygienic grooming. Use cleaning brush and oil blades once a month. Cleaning brush and oil included. Respect the ritual. Don't crack under the pressure to look good. ConairMAN has beard trimmers, home barbering kits, electric shavers and more for precision cuts and trims. Personal care from Conair. Our personal care line includes high-quality skincare tools, lighted mirrors, haircut kits, beard and mustache trimmers and ear, nose trimmers, ladies' shavers and oral care. Conair makes personal care tools for your daily routine. Warranty. Limited 5-year warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Worked perfectly for me. Read and follow the directions, and look up how to cut your own hair on YouTube. This worked well for me. I used the number 8 clipper all over my head, and my wife did my hairline in the back. Maybe it's not quite as good as a professional cut, but I am happy with it.